Want to get fit in the new year? Don't know where to start? They say it takes 21 days to create a new habit. Whether it's to start moving more, start moving again, or even just moving into a better mindset. Join us on our 21-day challenge. Work on creating new habits, stay consistent, get in the best shape of your life, and feel amazing. All workouts are beginner-friendly for all levels and can be done from anywhere with minimal equipment. Make this year your most fit yet. Welcome to day 7 of your 21-day challenge. You should be very proud of yourself because you made it to the end of the week, and I assume that your body is feeling sore, tired. So it's so important to take the day to stretch your muscles, to breathe, so that you can start the rest of your week next week strong. All right, this is gonna be super chill. We're gonna start with a little breath work, then we're gonna do a nice little stretch, finish off with a little more breath work, and that's it. So get nice and comfortable. I got my yoga mat, and that's pretty much all I need. I'm gonna close my eyes and roll my shoulders back. And again, sitting up nice and tall, I'm going to start to root down into the sitting bones. I'm gonna notice the breath, inhales and exhales. And I'm gonna connect to my body, being thankful and grateful that it went through 7 days of movements, exercise, yoga, Pilates, so all these different types of movement patterns, and sometimes we take our health for granted. So I think a good way to finish off this week is with a little bit of appreciation for our bodies and how capable they are of everything they do for us. And then let's take another 3 deep breaths together. So inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale, feel the sound of the waves, breeze in the ocean air. Exhale one more time, big breath in, inhale. And exhale. Opening up your eyes, and let's go into some nice gentle neck circles, massaging, stretching out our necks clockwise and counterclockwise. From there, rolling the shoulders back, rolling the shoulders forward. Bring your arms out, let's stretch those fingers. So really spread all 10 fingers and then crunch them in. It's like you're riding a motorcycle, stretch out the wrists. And then again, open up the palms, and then riding your motorcycles, bring those palms down, stretching out those wrists. We're gonna get seated on our bums. And what you wanna do here is bring your legs out in front of you. We're gonna stretch out those hamstrings. You're gonna sit up nice and tall, reach your arms up, and then exhale, forward fold, reach for your toes. And inhale, take a breath in. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Good. And then let's bring the knees right back into your chest. Scoop your butt forward, and let's lay down on that mat. We're gonna roll up and down your back to massage out your spine for 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. And then roll your ankles. You're gonna cross them together and come to tabletop. We're gonna go into cat and cow. Great mobility stretch. So really plant your hands down, tops of the feet, all 10 toes. Align the shoulders with the wrists, and you're gonna inhale, look up. Open up your heart, open up your chest. Exhale, round. Pull the belly in. Inhale, connect with your body and breath. Exhale. One more time, inhale. exhale, giving your body exactly what it needs. A little rest and recovery, R&R. Come back to neutral. Let's stretch out the upper body. You're going to take your left hand onto your head, so the elbow's shooting up towards the side. You're going to bring your left elbow under. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, lift up as high as you can. Now take this left hand down and underneath the left side. Let your left side of the head come down. Press your hips down towards your heels. If that feels okay, stay here. If you want a deeper stretch, take your right arm around and let's grab into the left side of the hip crease. Roll up from the right shoulder, stretching out the upper body even more. Also feeling this in the back of the body as well. Connecting to your breath. And then exhale, release. Take that right arm out, push it up, and come back into that neutral tabletop. Let's switch sides. So bring that elbow under, lift up, stack, open up the chest, stretch out your spine. Such a great mobility movement for 2. And for 1. Take that right arm down, loop it under, take the right side of the head down. Option 2, come all the way down towards your heels and wrap that left arm around, bringing it to the right hip crease. Beautiful, and then release. Let's push right back into our cat and cow, so all fours. And then we're gonna bring that right knee forward, stretching into that left side of your hip. Bend your weight forward, square the left hip forward. And then straighten out that right leg and forward fold. Keeping your spine nice and long, keeping the crown of the head reaching forward. Take another breath in here, inhale. And then exhale, bend into that right leg. Now take your back leg and you're gonna kickstand it. So you're in this position. From there, you're gonna bend forward into that right side. So you're stretching into your inner thigh, your adductor, and hold it here. For 3, for 2, and 1. Beautiful, release. Let's switch sides. Take the left leg forward, bend forward into that left side, stretch out your hip. Square the right hip forward, feeling that nice stretch on the right side. And then forward fold. Let's bend down to the left side, keeping the spine nice and long. Flex the toes. Inhale, bend. Exhale. And let's do the same thing on this side. So kickstand that back leg, and then bend forward into that left side. So you're stretching into your inner thigh. Amazing, and then release. Let's push back into child's pose. Bring your hands behind you. Turn the palms up towards the sky, ceiling. And then from there, come forward back into that tabletop. You're gonna shift your knees back. We're gonna come into our cobra stretch to stretch out the abdominals. Open up your heart. Gaze over behind the right shoulder and behind the left shoulder. And then again, push back into that child's pose. Beautiful. And then inhale, come back to tabletop. We're gonna sit cross-legged for a few of our final stretches. And we're gonna stretch out the upper body a little here. So what I want you to do is inhale, take your arms up, stretching out your triceps here. So pulling that elbow down and making sure the rib cage is engaged. Good, and then switching sides. You guys can't see right now, but I'm enjoying a very beautiful sunset right in front of me. Good, and then we're gonna go for a twist. So take your left hand to your right knee and twist, looking back behind you. And switch. And then inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart at prayer. Let's connect with 4 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, big breath in. And exhale. Again, one last time. Inhale. And exhale, release and let it go. Opening your eyes, thank you so much for joining me today on day 7. Keep crushing it, keep going, don't give up, you are amazing. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Let's get ready to work.